Have you pondered why you have to verify your identity when you buy a domain or change your account details? It's because they're shady people. The internet isn't just digital rainbows and sunshine. There are also nefarious actors that want to steal your stuff, buy stuff with your monies, or impersonate you. That's bad. Name.com wants to make sure you're you, so you can have a nice internet experience. It may be a little annoying, but so is getting all of your domains stolen. The Internet Corporation of Assigned Names and Numbers, or ICANN, is the internet overlords that drop these requirements on all of the realm. ICANN regulates every domain on Earth, so they also want to make sure you're you. Thus, the requirements. I can verify my identity. It's a generally painless experience to verify your identity. When you purchase a domain from Name.com, you'll be prompted to verify your identity with a pop-up box. You'll have the option to get a verification code sent to you by email or text message. You'll enter this code into the pop-up box when you receive it, and click verify, and the process is complete. Be warned, if you click out of the pop-up box before you click verify, then everything is lost. Nothing has been accomplished, and you're back to square one. But you can bring the pop-up box back from the void. Magic. But don't wait too long, because any project that you may have on the domain is now broken and won't work until you verify your identity. To redeem yourself, click on the domain you want to be verified. Then navigate to the Manage Contacts button under Domain Actions. At the top, you'll see a banner outlined in red that tells you that your domain is unverified, which means your domain won't work. To resuscitate thine domain, click the Verify Now button and follow the same steps as before. Choose email or phone and enter the code that is sent to the details on that domain. Don't click out of that box again without verifying your identity. Don't do it. Commit. Hot tip, make sure that the phone number or email that you have set up in your account details is something that you have access to, because then none of this will work. And everything will be for nothing. That seems obvious, but you never know.
I am going to double down on this point. Please use real information. Please. Help us help you. You may have the desire to be mysterious, but if there's an issue with account access or an ownership dispute and you signed up as Sassy Molassy, it will be a headache and a heartache and maybe even a tummy ache. So save yourself some hassle and use your real name.
If you change your account details like name, address, phone number, you'll also be prompted to verify with this pop-up box. This step is so people can't go into your account, change the details, steal your domain, change your identity. You'll go up to the little person icon on the top right of the screen. Scroll down and click Settings. On the left, under General, click Default Account Contacts. Here you can change the account details for the 4 different types of accounts. Registrant, which is the rightful owner of the domain and the account. They can do whatever they want, change the details, and they hold all the power in the domain fiefdom. Administrative is when you want to designate a contact to manage the domain or account for you. Say that you're a business owner and you're too busy for that and you want somebody on your team to manage it for you. Because you're busy and you can't be bothered with those things. Just make sure you trust them. Technical is for the contact managing the name servers. So if you have a web developer and an IT specialist, you'd want to assign them this contact. Last is billing. You would assign this to somebody who is paying the bills, correct? If it's just you managing the account because you wear all the hats and you're so special, then you can click the button Make All Contact Information the Same as Registrant, and that will auto-populate across all the contacts, and it'll save you time. Precious, precious time. When you've updated your contacts, click the Update Contacts button and it will provide you the pop-up to verify your identity with email or text. You're verified now. Good job. Proud of you. At Name.com, we care about your security and take the proper steps to make sure you're you and that your domain and account are safe. If you need additional support, head over to our knowledge base where you can learn even more about our verification processes and pretty much anything else you can think of. Hit up our 24/7 chat or input a support ticket if you're really lost. Thanks for joining me on another support tutorial. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.